Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're tuning into this video, it's because you want to know how to budget for a pet. But before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit that bell notification so you'll be the first one to know when I upload a new video. And so if you already subscribed and hit that bell notification, welcome back to the Money Control TV. So, you guys, we love pets. I love pets, right? So, want to know how to budget for a pet. So, besides your overall budget, your household budget, you also have a small budget for your pets, right? If you have a cat, you have a parrot, you have a dog, a turtle, a fish, you also need a separate budget. So, within that household budget, you're taking a portion and moving over to your pet budget. So, example, we're going to say $100 for your pet budget, monthly budget. So that $100, this is how you're going to maximize it. This $100 is going to be consist of your pet toys, is going to your grooming, is your vaccination, your pet boarding, your doggy daycare, things like that, and also your food. And so I'm going to share with you how to save money and how to stay within budget. Number one is if you have a pet, hey, begin to make your own pet toys, right? We're on YouTube, so hey, do some YouTube videos and see how that you can learn how to make your own pet toys. Definitely, if you have a Dollar Tree in your state or your city or state, I mean, they have a dog owl just for $1. But remember, our overall budget could just be $100. So a Dollar Tree is a great place to get your doggy toys or your pet toys, but make sure you stay in budget when you're going into the Dollar Tree. Number two is learn how to groom your dog. So to take them to the vet to get groomed, learn how to do it. I know different stores have a very inexpensive clippers that you can just groom them, toenail clippers, things like that, that you can groom them yourself. And so again, we're on YouTube. Start watching videos how to groom your pet at home. Another thing is to keep up with your vaccination, your vet costs. And so within that $100, also we're going to begin to create a sinking fund. And what a sinking fund is when you're moving a small amount of money over into a special account. So when you make a large purchase in the future. So just think if for vet bills and so vaccination, things like that, it might cost maybe $600 for the entire year. So once a year. So maybe you're moving over $50 out of that $100 over to the special account. So when it's time for vaccinations and things like that, that you have the money there. Also, let's go ahead and talk about food, right? Because they got to eat. So if you are a Prime member, then you should be able to subscribe to the subscribe and save feature. And so when you're ordering your pet food, that you're going to get a large discount. So again, if you're a Prime member on Amazon, they have a feature called subscribe and save. And so what you're doing is that you are scheduling your food, your pet food, a certain day of the month. And when you do that, you are going to get discounts. And so make sure that you are making sure you're watching out for those savings. And there's also coupons and things that you can also help with on pet food. So make sure that you are staying in budget, making sure that you're following these tips and making sure that your pet is taken care of. Again, last one is just doggy daycare, because we also know that we might travel and you have to keep them boarding somewhere else. And so again, you can create a sinking fund as well within that budget. So if you know you're going to travel maybe 2 weeks out of the year and it might cost you maybe $120, and so maybe you're saving $10 per month, right, for the entire year, so that you'll be able to cover that cost. And so you guys, I hope this video was helpful, making sure that you stay in budget with your pet, making sure that your pet is taken care of. And so I want to know, how much is your monthly budget for your pet? And let me know and see how I can help you save more money when we're providing and taking care of our pets, because they're just like family. So make sure that you like, you comment, don't forget to subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.